What's going on, guys? In this video I will show you a few different ways to delete apps on your Mac. Alright, so the first way to delete an app is from Finder. Start by opening Finder and then go to Applications. Next, drag and drop the app you want to delete into the trash bin. This might ask for your password or Touch ID to confirm the move, so go ahead and enter that, and that's it. The next way to delete an app on your Mac is from the Launchpad. Simply open the Launchpad and then locate the app you want to delete. Next, press and hold the app and you should see an X icon. Click on that and you should get the option to delete it. Finally, the last way of deleting an app is using third-party tools. There are many amazing tools out there such as Clean My Mac X and CC Cleaner that can clean your device by removing junk files and unnecessary apps, so you can definitely check them out if you want to. Alright, that was it from this video. Thanks for watching.